Let us paint this simplified watercolor scene in less than 10 minutes. It has some complex elements like the trees, the boat, the figures, etc. But we will try to simplify it going forward. Hi friends, I am Vanidas Mangathil and let us learn watercolors together. I am using a cold pressed watercolor paper around 300 GSM and applying very warm color, slightly orangish yellow, like permanent yellow or cadmium yellow sort of colors we can use. And I am applying a flat wash sort of thing. I'm not fully filling the paper, I just wanted some background. And let us make a simple tree, and using the side of the brush we can suggest the foliages. The paper is wet and the edges are spreading, so we are suggesting the overall shape of the foliages and overall shape of a tree. The color that I have used is violet, which is sort of complementary to the yellow background. And using the tip of the brush, I am suggesting some branches and then some sort of ground here. Very simple suggestion, not very complicated. You can do it very slowly. Okay, this color is applied while the paper is still damp, so you will find some spreading happening. Okay, so if you wish, you can keep your color mixes prepared in advance. I haven't made, so I have mixed the colors as I'm painting. But if you want, you can keep it prepared in advance. And this could be some sort of a ground, and I am suggesting some sort of a water body on the lower left and sprinkling of some water, splashing of some water droplets to create some texture. Okay, now it is dry. It should be dry at this point. If it is not dry, wait for this to get dried, or you can use a hair dryer to get it dried. And a simple boat shape using vermilion red or any other red color. If you are finding this video informative, it is helping you, please do subscribe and press the bell notification so that you get notified when I release new videos. I'll be coming out with a lot of these simple watercolor practices. See, under the boat I have applied some Paynes gray color, so because under the boat usually it will be dark. Now after the dark suggestion, let us apply some vermilion color to suggest some reflection. Very simple suggestion. Some sort of a mirror reflection, and very simple. I'm using the side of the brush. Sometimes I use the tip of the brush to get the kind of brush marks I expect. Okay, I wanted. So depending upon the kind of brush marks you wanted, you can either use the tip of the brush or the side of the brush, etc. Now this boat is not a perfect boat, but it is reasonably convincing, and that is enough for this practice. Here we are going for simplified simplified elements which are reasonably convincing. Now coming to the figures, it could be very challenging for you. Okay, so if you are finding it challenging, you can check out my playlist on suggestive figures. You will find it on my channel. I will also give it in the description below. You can check that out. There will be a lot of figure related videos there. So dark color, I have applied a little bit of red color on top to make it slightly colorful, and this particular figure, the second figure, is darker. So I am not explaining too much about painting of figures because that will be a much bigger discussion. You can find a lot of videos in my channel. You can kindly search for that. Okay, if you don't find it, you can write me in the comment box below. I can share some of the links. Okay, now I think we have the reflection, we have the boat, we have the figures, everything is done. How much time? Just 4.5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes. Okay, now little bit of a suggestion of skin tones using thick orange paint directly picked from the tube, and I am using a liner brush sort of thing, pointed brush, rigger brush sort of thing, and little bit of a highlight using white pigment, white watercolors picked up directly from the tube. if you have any question on my approach, my materials, or but anything related to this watercolor or watercolor in general, you can please let me know. Write them into the comment box below. If you have any suggestion for any topic for future videos, you can write them into the comment box below. And if you are finding this informative, please do share this to your artist friends so that they also get benefited. Now I think we are pretty much done, and I don't think we need to add anything more to this because this looks complete. What do you think? Do you think it looks convincing and complete? Please do write them in the comment box below. Any suggestion, as I mentioned, write them in the comment box below. I'm declaring it as done. I have signed it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do practicing. Keep practicing. You may not get this kind of a result if you are practicing it for the first time. Keep practicing. As we practice more and more, you will get more and more convincing loose result, and your watercolor will be taken to the next level. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell notification. We'll soon see you with another video. Thank you.